Good morning, good evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, YouTube. So the Caterham that we serviced a while ago is now also coming up for a service again, so it's not going to be quite such an in-depth service this time, but it's going to be a basic oil change and all the normal things you do after 6 months in the garage over winter and 3,000 miles last year. So nothing major, just a normal light duty oil change, so let's get going. This Caterham is fitted with an Apollo system, which is this silver tank here. What this does is to separate oil and air when driving quickly. It's sort of a halfway house between a wet and a dry sump system, but it just maintains better oil control. What that does mean though is that we have to empty the oil out of this as well, because this will hold about a litre on its own.
Phone
Should be clear.
Yeah.
We've got a way of holding it.
Only me.
If you hold the top.
Right.
That's quite tight,
You put it in.
Well, better have it a bit tight than too loose. For now, I said loose. Ready for the gloopy gloop noise?
Get your hand out of the way quick when it goes.
Yeah. Nice. This Caterham's got a little magnet here on the top of the filler or drain plug for the Apollo system. What that does, just catch any little metal shavings or anything that might come off it. This one, as we can see, is pretty much perfect, so that's all good, no problems there. But when you do your oil change, just have a quick look and make sure that there's no chunks attached to that. If there are any big chunks and the engine hasn't just been rebuilt, it's worth just keeping an eye on things to see what's caused them. So now all we need to do is give that a little wipe around here, make sure all the excess oil's gripped off, because you need to know that it's not leaking, and how you do know that if there's oil dripping off it. So a little wipe, clean up, there we go. All you got to do now is put the drain plug back in the Apollo tank over here, fill it with oil, and we're good to go. Okay, everything's all drained out now. We've already cracked the cap off to allow the air in as we're changing the oil. So let's take it out, let's put some fresh oil in there. Okay, so with the drain plugs back in, everything's good. The car's filled with oil, let's get it back on the ground, take it for a test drive.
So that was it. There wasn't much to that, just a straightforward service you've got to do every 6 months. If you like these videos, hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you soon. We'll have more action from Santa Pod coming as well.